we're in Lima right now. And it's on Shadout TV, man. In Lima, right in Lima. We're the Godfathers.
Shadout TV is the best, no worry. They got to the update, my bro. Come to Shadout TV. They are love. I love it.
Ebusia, I'm a Sami Flex TV, so it's EOCO headquarters. It's Shatta movement fans, a peaceful protest. The Shatta movement boss, police after reinforcement. It's all about if you want to the our EOCO office and our Hassan. The police want to say Obia and free in EOCO for a yard. Yes.
Free Wale. You understand? We are citizens. We are not here to fight. We came here to protect our family and make sure that we let them know what is going on. Okay, we are Ghanaians. Even if our boss is going to be here, it's not like this way. You understand? You can't just try to tell somebody to come in. Like the way Central reported at Stamp at the time. Oh, Wale, come, we want to talk to you. Then later you detain him. No, you are not being real. Even me being a root leader, if you come here to your station and I respect you and come, and commander, you detain me, next time you come, I will not come. Why? Because I'm a citizen. You can even seize my passport. I have my passport here.
Show them.
I tell you what, the whole my passport. You understand? See, if you seize my passport or my cars, I will follow you. I will come. But arresting, putting me, detaining me to disgrace my brand and my... No.
Boss, have you already spoken to any of the authorities inside here?
Which inside?
Yeah, I mean...
Has the media spoken with the authorities inside?
I'm asking you gathered here this morning. I'm asking you...
We are here for our boss. We are here for our boss.
No one has spoken to you.
No. As you people, the media... Has the media spoken with the people? No, they didn't tell us anything. And the whole what they are saying is, go back. Yes, we have to go back for them to do their work. But you can't force us that if you don't go, you will shoot us. Unless you kill us, that is our news.
So these are the reactions from all the people outside here.
You just you be snitch. Where they go? Where they run to? You be your mother. Your mother. Why you take video? I'm gonna slap her. I'm gonna slap her. At the news cafes. At them take one in Lamborghini. GH1 can process propaganda.
Shatta Wale there stolen car. Benuela Sani abotemi address fight. Sana abotemi address fight. Abotemi amoko. Onu buy New York Ghana amameyo stolen items. Nobody in Ghana can buy brand new car. The big bosses I'm telling you, they all buy connection cars. It is a Shatta Wale Adunisu now a Toby as a third party. Now and Nemuya Nisa, and you know Shatta Wale no Bejai, not Ghana flag no ember from because Shatta Wale have raised Ghana flag to certain level. So last year, Joshua to Koku and Obaye, Okitakan, Okitabase, yes, stolen by because we have big people in Ghana. We have big people in Ghana. They have been following us. I don't know their names, but you can't buy brand new car Lamborghini to Ghana just like that. You have to, talk to somebody and get it affordable. And it is a Shatta Wale idea. Shatta Wale obecha enyum and it's in Bagana. Move fast some boy and get because
all the positive 26 baby access amount. What the be the whole day. Say 1 billion over here, and someone you go Yamagana and someone. At least when I hear a day, you must say, I must say, well, thank you for that's very bad. I say, hey,
We're getting him right now. And it's on Shadout TV, man. In Lima, right in Lima. With the Godfathers.
Shadout TV is the best, no worry. They got to the update, my bro. Shadout TV, they are loud. I love it.